Hi, I'm Chef George Mendez, and I'm the owner and executive chef of Ohio Japanese Comfort Food. I also have Tadeo Filipino-Mexican Comfort Food, which is located in Quezon City. I also have other concepts like Bird Tubs and Hatch Manila, which is located also in Quezon City as well. I've been a chef for 10 years and doing a food consultancy for quite a while. At this very moment, I'm very excited because I'll be using world-class quality and reliable Koizumi kitchen appliances. So join me and let's create a delicious yet very easy recipes using Koizumi small kitchen appliances.
Hi guys! Ilang days na lang and it's Valentine's na. Maybe some of you are thinking what to give their loved ones this Valentine. So today, I'll be sharing you a recipe na talaga namang I'm sure na very sweet and full of love. And this is banana and chocolate bread. Tara, let's cook it using Koizumi multi-cooker. So now let's make banana and chocolate bread. So for our banana and chocolate bread, the ingredients we're going to use are overripe banana, cinnamon, salt, sugar, milk, vanilla, chocolate kisses, vinegar, baking soda and baking powder, olive oil, brown sugar, flour, and egg. So first step, let's make all our dry ingredients. Flour, brown sugar, white sugar, baking soda, baking powder, salt, so after dry ingredients, let's make all our wet ingredients. Ripe banana, so for this one, the darker the better. Milk, I use olive oil instead of butter. Vanilla extract, and egg. Lastly, vinegar. Then add in the cinnamon. Then last step before we cook it, mix natin yung dry and wet ingredients. Then after natin ma-mix, let's fold in our chocolate. After we fold in our chocolate, pwede na natin siyang lutuin sa Koizumi multi-cooker natin. Just pour our cake batter or bread batter dito sa multi-cooker natin. So by the way guys, Koizumi multi-cooker is very compact, very easy to use with 2.5 liters capacity. Metal uses aluminum alloy, good durability and corrosion resistant. Close it, then press rise and start. So after 25 minutes, okay na yung banana and chocolate bread natin. Let's open our multi-cooker. So, yan na. Then, let's transfer it na to our plate. So, let's plate na our dish. Let's get our plate in our Koizumi dish dryer. So there you go, our banana and chocolate bread.